How can I prevent list owners from changing their list configurations? Site administrators are responsible for creating new lists on a LISTSERV site. Each email list can have one or more list owners who are responsible for managing the day-to-day operations of the list. Individual list owners generally have full privileges to manage their lists as they please, which includes changing the list configuration itself. However, there may be situations when a site administrator wants to keep tighter limits on what list owners can do with their lists. Perhaps the list has been configured with certain restrictions that shouldn't be removed. Or perhaps the list owner simply isn't fully knowledgeable about all of the list configuration options and you want to prevent them from modifying it and inadvertently making a mistake while still allowing them to do all of their other list owner tasks. To do this, click on List Dashboard under the List Management section. As an administrator, you will see all lists on the LISTSERV site, including a selection of the most common list configuration options. Click on Customize Report and locate a keyword named Configuration Owner. Drag this keyword into the Report Columns box and click Save. You will now see a column for Configuration Owner next to the List Owner column. To restrict who is allowed to change the list configuration of the list, simply click on the empty value and select, for example, Postmaster, which mandates that only site administrators can change the list configuration. Or select Email Address and enter the email address of the user who is allowed to change it, followed by Save. Now, list owners can continue to manage their lists as before, but they are not permitted to change the list configuration. You can also make the same change for each list by clicking on List Configuration under the List Management section. Select the list that you want to work with, click on Administrators, and make the change here, followed by Update. If you want to save time in the future and make sure that each newly created list is automatically coded with a certain configuration owner, click on Web Templates under the Site Administration section. Use the filter to locate a template named Body New List Summary. Then simply add an entry for the Configuration Owner keyword at the bottom and save the changes. Now, each list that you create in the future will have the desired configuration owner defined from the start. Thank you for watching.